Welcome to District 893 tutorial video. On this video, we will talking about how to add MetaMask extension on Google Chrome and add Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome, search for metamask.io. Choose Install Metamask for Chrome. Click on Install, add extensions, wait for extension to pop up. Choose Create a new wallet. Click I agree. Type your password. Click I understand, then click Create a new wallet. Next step, make sure you write it somewhere safe, and never give this recovery phrase to anyone. MetaMask will ask random empty number, fill it with the word according to the number of your recovery phrase. Click Got it. Next, and done. I recommend you to add Binance Smart Chain Network manually. Click on MetaMask extension. Click on Profile and choose Setting. Click on Network and click on Add Network. Actually, you can find Binance Smart Chain Network here. You can choose to add it right away. But if it get error, you can add it manually. To do this, go to Network on left side. Add a network manually. You can name it Binance Smart Chain Mainnet. Or BSC mainnet, or whatever. Fill the RPC URL like on the video. Fill chain ID with 56, currency symbol with BNB, and block explorer URL like on the video. Then save it. You can switch the network here. That's all. That wraps up our tutorial on how to add the MetaMask extension and connect it to the Binance Smart Chain network. Remember to exercise caution when interacting with cryptocurrencies and always double-check addresses before making any transactions. Happy exploring and enjoy the benefits of using MetaMask with the Binance Smart Chain network. If you like and feel this video is informative, please like and subscribe District 893 YouTube. See you on the next video.